You've got a Bentley sitting there, and maybe it's been in an accident, maybe it's written off, maybe it's just not worth repairing anymore. Whatever the situation, it's still worth real money, and we'll come and get it. At Cash for Cars Perth, we buy Bentleys in any condition, right across the Perth metro area. We know a Bentley isn't just any car. It's a vehicle built with real craftsmanship, and even a damaged or unwanted one holds genuine value. That's why we take the time to make you a proper offer, one that reflects what your car is actually worth. We buy all Bentley models: the Continental, the Flying Spur, the Mulsanne, the Bentayga, the Arnage, the Turbo, the Mark 6, the R-Type, the S-Type, the T-Series. Old or new, we'll take it. Wrecked, undrivable, written off, or just sitting in the driveway gathering dust. It doesn't matter. We're interested. The process is straightforward. Send us a few photos: exterior, interior, odometer, along with some basic details about the car. We'll come back to you with a competitive offer. If you're happy, we'll lock it in. You sign the paperwork digitally, so there's no running around. Then we come to you with free towing, no hidden charges, nothing extra. Payment is made on the spot via OSCO. That means the money hits your account within 60 seconds of us picking up the car. You don't have to wait days or chase anyone up. We cover all of Perth. Whether you're in Rockingham, Joondalup, Fremantle, Midland, Osborne Park, Hillary's, Ellenbrook, Canning Vale, Bebra Lake, Armadale, or anywhere else across Western Australia's metro area, we'll come to you. If you've got a Bentley you're ready to part with, give us a call today. We'll give you a straight answer and a fair price with no pressure and no runaround. Phone 0420-262-651 or come and see us at 5 Hankey Place, Welshpool, Perth. Cash for Cars Perth, turning your Bentley into cash, wherever you are.